Hi, today I'll teach you how to replace the beeswax mouthpiece of your didgeridoo. First we begin with removing the old beeswax mouthpiece, like this one, which is already dry and dirty. So what you do is you snap it off, just like that. And then you can remove the rest using a plastic card or something like that. And now what we've got here is this awesome didgeridoo beeswax mouthpiece from TopDidgeridoo. This kit costs only a few bucks and the shipping is free worldwide, wherever you are. This mouthpiece is made of 100% natural beeswax, which means it is chemically inactive and antibacterial. Being a natural disinfectant, using this beeswax mouthpiece on your didgeridoo ensures that your didgeridoo will discourage bacterial activity and will reduce the possibility of contamination, simply because bacteria will not thrive in such an environment. Actually, not using quality beeswax mouthpiece is a health hazard, especially if you share the didgeridoo. This beeswax mouthpiece has a perfect round and smooth shape, which makes it very comfortable to play the didgeridoo, even for continuously long duration. But the best thing of this beeswax mouthpiece is that it has a concave joining surface for perfect fitting. Okay, now let's put this new beeswax mouthpiece on the clean didgeridoo. So first you have to warm this side, this underside of the beeswax mouthpiece. So put it on a flat horizontal surface and direct the hairdryer vertically down to the beeswax mouthpiece from a distance of about 6 inches, which is about 15 centimeters, for about
1 minute.
Now, when this side is wet and sticky, put the beeswax mouthpiece on the didgeridoo mouthpiece, like that, and press gently and uniformly using your full hand, like this. And now, using your fingers, press the edges of the beeswax mouthpiece, the external and internal edges, and smear them on the didgeridoo, like this. Now it's perfectly fitted. So what you have to do is to wait for cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now after waiting about 5 to 10 minutes for cool down, you're done and ready to play.